In this video, I will put you through on how to convert a possibly YouTube short video to long form video. Okay, the video is being shot vertical and it's less than 3 minutes, but it's not going to be classified as a YouTube short. Let's just get right into it. Okay, in this conversion, let me first show you the video I recorded that is in vertical form and it's going to be classified as short if I post it like that on my YouTube channel. Look at this video here. All right, look at this video. This video is about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, 31 seconds. If I should post this video on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, it will be automatically converted to shorts. But I don't want that. So let me show you how you can convert it into a long form video. So first you need to get to your app store, all right? Then you have to search for Canva. We are going to use Canva mobile app to do this because it doesn't leave watermark on a video. Okay, CapCut can do that for us as well, but let's go with Canva. So I will search for Canva. All right, you can see it has shown up in the search results. Here I use iPhone, but if you use Android, it still works fine. So I'll tap on Get. Okay, the Canva has installed on my iPhone. So the next step is to tap on Open. So tap on Open from your end. All right, tap on Accept all cookies. Then it says allow Canva to track your activities across other companies and apps and websites. Okay, let me allow it. So we have continue with Apple and you have continue with Google. I want to go with the option of continue with Google. So you have your choice. What is more important is that at the end you're able to log in. Okay. Then Canva wants to use canva.com to sign in and continue. So give it time. All right, it dictates two emails here. I will select the one I wanted to use. All right, it shows again the email address. I will tap on continue. All right, so I'm here. Now, once you're landed on this page, you will have an interface that looks like this. Okay, and you're on the home tab. So one of the options here is video. So tap on video because now you can use Canva to create video and not just graphic designs. All right, you can see the options it shows you here. You have video, landscape, and you have Instagram story and the rest. Our interest here is of video landscape. So I'll tap on that. Okay, it opens and it's showing you some templates you may use for your creation. I don't need that, okay? So what you need to do is to place your finger here and drag down on this preview so that we work on what we want to work on, okay? So I'll drag this down. All right, so I'm left with a blank template, all right, to start work with. Now I have some things at the bottom part. You have design, you have elements, you have text, you have camera roll. I'm interested in camera roll, so tap on that camera roll or gallery depending on what you have at that bottom. Then get to the Photos app or the gallery app of your Android. It will open automatically and pick that video you want to use. So I will tap on gallery, camera roll. Then it wants me to allow it access because I'm using iPhone. I will tap on allow full access. I will pick a video here by tapping on it. After selecting a video, tap on add to page. So once the video is placed here, tap on it, okay? And as you tap on it, you have the right to tap on it as it appears on this template, okay? Okay, you can drag it to cover some space using your finger, all right? If you use your PC, you will have more liberty to work on this more. But on the assumption that you use only your iPhone or your Android, it's okay. Once you drag it for it to cover the height, you are good, all right? Because this is on the landscape template, all right? So you can play and continue your editing. Okay, so you have some tools that you can use to edit. You tap on the video first for it to be selected. Then you have duplicate, you have split, and a lot. But on the assumption that I'm done with what I want to do, what do I need? I need to export the video. Then I'll drag this way towards the left until I see the more button. I'll tap on that more button. Then I will select to download page. I'll select download page. Then it shows me that this video is going to be in MP4. Then I will tap on download. So once you tap on download, you are good. You can upload it to your YouTube channel once it finish downloading. Okay. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.